Hey, it's Bortone, and congratulations. You are part of the new training on Thursday, June 13th. So save the date, 2 p.m. Eastern. And if you can't make it live, we will have the replay and recording for you, as well as a PDF of the slides. And I'm totally psyched that you're going to be part of this because video changes really quickly. And this is the most up-to-date information about video tips, insider secrets, tools, resources, etc. So looking forward to seeing you there. Spread the word. And by the way, if you become a member of my Patreon for just $10 a month, you can have free access to these monthly webinars. I'm going to be doing these every month to keep you up to speed on video and video marketing. And if you are a patron on Patreon, you get in these webinars and lots of other goodies for free. So check that out below, and we'll see you on the webinar. Thanks.